I'm gonna try and beat the Opium Bird. More accurately, we're gonna deal with the dark side of the Opium Bird. No doubt and no questions. We're gonna get him. Easy, boy. Easy. Easy now. Whoa! Okay. Nice. Almost died there. Okay. Let's get this. Focus.
The gate is open.
That's him!
I know it from the
The
wild.
Opium Bird.
It's coming back for me.
She definitely got molested.
Are you too? Where are we?
Why are you asking me? What's going on?
I remember.
Oh, I know what's going on.
It didn't end well in the
Just
wilds.
watch. Yup.
It never does.
Yup. Exactly what's going on.
You think you can overcome the darkness, make sense of it, and once relief settles in, strikes out now.
Oh my God! Stop farming me!
Deep back into the maelstrom.
Do
Drowning mind
something!
and fear.
Jesus!
Deeper, dragging you down so far.
Do
into
something,
the void
bro!
that
You're
made
getting
you this
molested.
time. There is no coming back. But there, in the darkness,
Come on, bro.
Senua,
Yes.
remembered what he told her.
hear me. Reach out to me. Senua, take my iron mirror. Look into it,
Stop yapping, bro.
for it is a window into the underworld. Within, you will see the face of the darkness that you fear. And if you focus, like I have taught you to, you will also see that as much as the darkness has you trapped within its veil, it too is trapped within yours. Focus. Focus! Focus!
I see you now. You led me to the wilds. You trapped me there.
Sheesh. Okay. I'm ready. Bow. Shing, shing, shing. Nope, you can't catch me, sir. Where are you running? Oi, no. Okay. Bow. I'll skip to the interesting part, boys. Boom. Ching. Yup. Come here, boy. Ooh. Easy. Coming. Ooh. Who do you think you are? You're not him. I am the king. Oops, too slow. Too good for you, buddy.
Focus now.
Back shots.
I never beat you in the wilds, did I? It was an illusion. But not this time!
The mark of Valravn, one of the keys to the gate to Helheim. Hold it in your mind's eye.
With every battle, the darkness grows stronger. Every victory bringing her closer to defeat. Unfair, isn't it? In those dark winter nights in the wilds, there were times when she considered letting go. If it weren't for Truth, a chance encounter in the wilds, she would not have heard his stories of the Northmen. And she would not have this chance to find Dillion's soul.